is very nice. It's extremely beautiful. Wow. Wow. Uncle. You know where they theater. How much you with Yanka? I'll let you. Yeah, fine. So what's the name of the garden?
100% ANZ Prayer Garden.
Chai! 100% Ampa. So serene. Wow. Wow. Hey. It's very nice. 100% answered prayer garden.
Yes, so Belapa, but okay, a week back.
You're fine. When I meet with you.
Oh, Mr. When I meet with you.
Hey, a woman designed the garden.
Yes. No,
the whole place. From the lawns to I like the whole Anagkazo itself. Wow.
And she's not an architect.
So like
architecture.
Architect, sorry. Nice.
Yes, tip. So she's a lawyer.
Wow.
The woman, so she just sat down. This will be here. This will be called this.
Hey. Like the building structure and everything. Wow. Did the spirit inspired though? Because if this one God doesn't help you. Wow. Wow. Interesting. And the fact that it's on the mountain, like when I was coming there, the mountain view alone, it was very nice. I've not been here before.
Oh, okay.
This is the very first time.
And when you are going, particularly in the evening, and then you look at Accra.
Yes,
wow, that is
London. I'm telling you. When the plane took off, when you see Accra, and you are seeing it from like the top part.
Let me take the water.
The water.
So yes.
You know that is for me.
Oh, it's okay.
Sure. Hey, I see you also. Wow, look at the trees.
So
neat. I mean,
perhaps we're talking about it's like they don't hire anyone to work, plumbing work, whatever work,
students. Wow. Students. It's good. So then you get the blessings of God. Because this place,
like you're not coming to me.
No. Humble yourself and serve. Yes. Because as a pastor, it's very important. If you don't serve, don't expect someone to serve you. Like some principles are there in this world. Oh yeah. What? white eh? Did I easy? Car is giving us special. Of people him say there's even produce some more. Hey, the house of chilling zones. So how? Down, that's fine. Sir, let's go for the more chilling. Sir, and yeah, easy. Ah, no parking is true. Producing lodge. Yes, so. Ah, go to the bank. We will have a baby no more. Sir? And they're fine. Fine. They won't go for baby. I don't know her. Me who? Wow. Maybe that makes most presidential one.